Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a beautiful 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. Great car, man. Very good car, guys. Car's out of Virginia. Lot of history that goes with the car. A lot of paperwork, a little paper trail with this car. It is an original RM VIN, true Roadrunner. Does have the matching numbers, 33 cubic inch, 335 horsepower engine. Nice car, factory color combination. This is saddle bronze metallic. It's got the factory tan vinyl interior. And if you're looking for a nice running and driving car, guys, this thing takes the cake, man. Really a good car. Again, a lot of paperwork for the car. There's some owner history. It looks like it's had 4 owners from what I can tell. 58,000 original miles. Car was restored, it looks like about 06. It was a body up restoration. There's a little over $30,000 in receipts in the trunk for the car for the resto. So it's an older resto. There's a few little marks and blemishes in the paint, but very nice car. And I'll tell you one thing, turnkey, nice driving car. A lot of options on it, a lot of rare options. One is a factory bucket seats with console. A lot of these cars did not have that. They were mostly bench seats with a column shift. It's also a factory N96 air grabber hood car. And like I say, a pretty car. Not a whole lot to nitpick. I mean, you can nitpick any of them. Looks like it's got the original grill and trim. And, you know, you can see some little dings and stuff in it. But very nice. Very nice car. Good, solid, straight Virginia body. Bumpers are nice, got the original bumperettes. Fender mount turn signals, one of my favorite Mopar options, and they work. Pretty paint on the car. Like I say, I'll try to point out some little imperfections that I found on it. You know, I wouldn't paint it. I mean, you know, I wouldn't mess with anything like that. This is a good car. I'm not trying to tell you it needs a paint job or anything. I'm just telling you, you can kind of nitpick some of it. This is a new front windshield. I believe the rest of the glass is original. You can see how nice that dash is in there. Again, as we walk around, you can see a few little marks in the paint. But good car, really good car. Yeah, I like this car a lot. This is where my heart is. I love these Mopars. They're rare, they're tough to find nice. And I dig this one. Really cool car. You can see the taillight bezels are nice. Car's nice and straight down the side. It has had new quarters put on both sides. I believe the rest of the body panels are original. You can see it's got the correct chrome tips on it. It's got brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust on it. Really good looking car. Wish we had some sunshine. It's supposed to be nice today, but it's still cold, a little chilly. Sorry, just a little wax in the corner there. It's got the BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Factory rally wheels. Again, does have the matching numbers, 33 engine in it, factory 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. They've upgraded it to electronic ignition. You can see it's got the original Mopar radiator, 727 torque flight automatic trans, power steering, factory manual drum brakes. And again, this is a rare option here. It's got the factory air grabber hood. N96 is a code on your trim tag. You can see it's got the beep beep horn. The original VIN is on your core support as well. It's a nice thing about a Mopar, you can document these cars as your original trim tag, your T7 bronze. And you can also see the N96 on the trim tag. And we've got a ton of paperwork for the car in the trunk. Original window sticker, broadcast sheet, owner's manuals. Like I say, there's some, I'm going to get up close, there's a I don't know if you can see it, I'm going to get closer to it. There's a little crack there next to the door lock. Good car, really good car. And like I say, really hits the road good. Can nitpick that A-pillar chrome, still pretty nice. Factory dual chrome mirrors, these are original. This one's actually a remote mirror. Sorry guys, little dust on there if you see that. Definitely replace the door handles. You can see it's got that little crack right there on the lock. How clean those doors are. I believe there was a receipt in there. They put new door panels on the car. They've definitely redone the interior, new seat covers, new carpet. I ordered the new floor mats for it. Bucket seats console, very rare. I think it was like about 10% of these cars that got the buckets with the console. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Looks like all your interior lights are working. You know, I can nitpick this. I've got a guy, unfortunately everything being shut down right now, I've got a guy that'll that will redo those, but can't get it done right now. 58,000 original miles on the car. That is the actual miles. I think all your gauges work. Factory AM FM radio, thumb wheel, and it does work, guys, which is pretty cool. Flowmaster dual exhaust, 8 3/4 323 rear end. Again, ton of paperwork, man. There's your broadcast sheet, original Virginia tag. Here's your original window sticker for the car. Here's your all your owner's manuals. Again, there's $30,000 in receipts in this envelope, as well as some owner history on the car. Original red line, bias ply spare. The only thing when they did this, they just painted this in here. That's supposed to be body color, but like I say, they did put new quarters on both sides. Did a nice job. Car's actually original undercoat underneath. Again, clean. Doors open and close real nice. All the windows go up and down nice. And they fit good. And the car's clean underneath. Got it up on the hoist. Got some pictures of the bottom for you. There is a dyno sheet that they did on the engine when they had it rebuilt. Looks like they got new sill plates. Good car, man. See, their little dash lights are all working. It's about, you know, it's about the only thing I'd tell you I would definitely have done. Either find a new steering wheel and have it painted, or like I say, I've got a guy locally that does some epoxy on them. But with everything being shut down right now, it's, you know, it's hard to get stuff done. Definitely new door handles on the car. Again, original mirrors. A-pillar chrome's nice. Again, really just a good car here, guys. the road good. Great sound to it. Fuel gauge works. That's just a good car right there, man. Really good car. Getting radio works, blower motor works. It's pretty cool that radio works. Doors open and close nice. Oh, hit these, Nathan. I forgot about these. You see, they do work. Hopefully you can see that. I love that option on Chryslers. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our YouTube page. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page. Sorry, our mail lady coming in. Thank you. That way you can get a notification every time we post one of these new videos. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.